Jeff Reese here with One Arc Connection. I'm gonna do a quick video here. I want to show you some cable assemblies we're producing here in our large cable division today. It's a 4-aught cable assembly at 230 level. Joe Carson, one of our most senior crimping people here at One Arc Connection. He's been how long, Joe?
Almost 20 years.
Almost 20 years. You see here at One Arc, we care about our employees greatly. Yeah, I just took my mask off, but we do wear masks here at One Arc Connection. And you see Joe, when he's doing his crimping, he's standing and crimping. It's much easier process when you're standing. You sit down, you lean over, you hurt your back throughout the day. Standing up, giving a nice straight posture, makes the work day go much easier, smoother here at One Arc. Putting the same termination on each side, using quality mil-spec crimping equipment. It's one of the things that sets us apart from our competitors here at One Arc.